Hey everybody, it's John here with Home Buyer Louisiana in Kenner, Louisiana, Jefferson Parish again here. I'm in another property that we were able to help the seller out because it's, as you can see, it's kind of dated. You can't tell in the videos, but there's some foundation work, some foundation issues going on with the floor. It was a succession property. There is a fair amount of stuff that needs to be addressed, and it's just going to be really, it's going to need everything. So yeah, the seller was in a bind and needed some help getting it sold in this condition, and we do buy houses and properties in any condition, so we were able to help out. Seller's happy, we're happy, and yeah, it's just going to be a good thing for everybody. So if you have property or a home in any condition anywhere in Louisiana, check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have solutions for every type of situation. Thanks.